it's me. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be harvesting some strawberries. And I just want to say that I'm posting on a new channel that it's my gaming channel, so I'm going to put all my gaming stuff on in that channel, but I'm not playing this channel. So before we harvest the strawberries, take a look at the chili or whatever. See how many? There's like 100, more than 100. Okay, so now let's do strawberries. Okay. First one, where do I put it? Wow.
Wait.
Okay. Another.
Wait. You need to show it. Okay.
Yeah.
And there's one more.
Oh yeah.
Look.
Okay. Guys, look. It's a red strawberries.
So who is going to eat all these?
My mom, my dad, me, and my sister. Because there's 4 of them. So 1 for each. Yeah, come. Oh, yeah, you're holding them. We're at first.
Say bye.
Okay, guys, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, turn on the post notification bell if you like this video. Bye.